Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to share a DIY tutorial on how to make two easy homemade cake toppers. So let's move on to the video. So first I've taken a cardboard and then I've cut it out in a circle like this. So I've drawn this outline on a cardboard with the outer circle diameter 13 centimeter and inner circle diameter is 9 centimeter. So you can make sure there is 4 centimeter difference in the diameter between both of them. Now I've also, after cutting it, I've also painted it using blue paint. Now keep this aside. So now, keeping this cardboard as an outline, I've kept this onto a color paper and then I've taken the outline and then I've cut it out in that shape. It doesn't need to be very perfect because we are going to do some decoration on top of this. So next, for making a flower for decoration, I've taken a square paper. Now you can fold this in a triangle shape and then you can fold this upwards. And even from here. Now once you're done getting this shape, if you have designer scissors, you can cut it using it. But if you do not have designer scissors, you can just draw an outline of the flower petal shape and then you can cut it using your normal scissors. You can just cut it in this shape. Now if you open it, it would be like this. So now in any one edge, you can just cut it using your scissors and then you need to take glue and then you can apply it. Then you can just stick it like this. You can allow it to dry. Now once it has dried completely, using your sketch pen or glitter pen, you can give it a small outline just like I have done in these flowers. And then you can stick a bead in the middle. You can decorate it as per your choice. I have also made 4 more flowers of different colors. You can also do like this because you need at least 4 to 5 flowers for decorating it. So now I have taken this ring shaped cardboard that we have cut and painted, and you need to make sure that your paint has dried completely. We can stick the flowers that we have made onto this. Here I have stuck all the 5 flowers and make sure you do not cover the entire ring shaped cardboard because we are doing another small decoration here. Next, for the next decoration, I have taken some beads. So using these beads, you can stick them all over this empty space and make sure you do not stick them very closely. I have completed sticking the beads. So here you can see I have stuck only 5 beads with enough spacing. So now you can allow this to dry. So now I have taken that circle shaped paper that we have cut out earlier. Now you can apply some glue onto this paper and then you can stick this onto this like this. So here I have applied glue onto this paper and then just keep this on top of it and just stick it. Make sure you align it properly. Now I have taken an ice cream stick. Now you can just peel out this paper a bit from here and then you can just stick this into this. Now you can allow this to dry. And one more thing, you need to make sure that you keep this ice cream stick into this before the gum dries. After keeping the ice cream stick, you need to make sure that it has dried completely. Now you can write anything that you want, like happy birthday, happy anniversary or anything else in the middle. I'm writing happy birthday. So here I've written happy birthday. Now just to give a small touch for this, I am also using some more sketch pens to give a small decoration. Just make a few dots here and there. It would give the topper a confetti sprinkle look. So there you go, your perfect birthday cake topper is ready. For the next cake topper, that is an anniversary cake topper, I've taken a cardboard piece and then I've cut it in heart shape. No specific measurements, but there's a tip for getting it in the perfect heart shape, both equal in length and width. So for that you can fold cardboard in half and then you can draw in any one side like I've done here, and then you can cut it. So both the sides would be equal. I have also taken the thin cardboard of the covers of any notebook, not the thick cardboard. Next I have taken a color paper and keeping this cardboard on top of it. On top of that I have given it an outline using your regular pencil, and after tracing the entire outline you can cut it using your scissors. Similarly I have made 2 cutouts like this. Now you can keep this aside. Next step, I've taken the cardboard that we have cut out earlier, and taking the other side, we can stick this ice cream stick onto it. And make sure you stick it in the middle. You can allow this to dry. After it dries, you can apply some glue throughout these edges. And then on top of this, you can stick the color paper that we have cut out earlier. Similarly, you can repeat the same process on the other side also. So once you complete sticking paper on both the sides, and once it dries completely, you can take thermocol strips like this, or glitter tape or ribbon or anything that you have to give it a small decoration on the side. So I have applied some glue. Now you can stick this onto this. Similarly, I have also stuck one more thermocol string on this side also to make it complete border. Now I am taking some heart stickers. Now from these heart stickers you can stick 3 of them each in these corners. You can also cut out paper of different colors and then you can stick them if you don't have stickers. Now in the bottom you can stick first 1 heart, then 2 hearts and 3 hearts. Now I have stuck the stickers in this order. Now here in the middle you can write happy anniversary. You can also write anyone's name or anything if you want to make it a customized cake topper. Now for a final touch, I have taken red sketch pen. You can also use glitter pens. And then here I am just drawing a heart, the smaller heart, and 2 dots. You can just color this. So there you go, your perfect anniversary cake topper is ready. So these are some of the cake toppers that I have made. These 2 are the ones that we have made in this video, and this one is made using the similar pattern, and this one is the cake topper which I have shown in the first birthday celebration of our channel. You can make this cake topper by using the same method as we did this. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share, comment, and also if you are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.